for this tutorial. We're gonna start with a slip knot, then I'm gonna chain 30. Here I have got my 30 chains completed. What I'm gonna do now is 1/2 double crochet in the second chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 1/2 double crochet, and I'm gonna continue with half double crochet in each chain till the end of my row. So you yarn over, insert your hook in the chain, pull through, and pull through all 3 loops. Again, if you're new to the half double crochet, I'll put a link to another video where you can learn step by step how to achieve the half double crochet stitch. So now I'm on my last chain from the first row, and I'll complete my last half double crochet. Now we're gonna start with the first row, and we'll see how we're gonna work all the rows till the end of my work. So I will be chaining 2, and that will be at the end of each row we chain 2. We turn the work, and now I'm gonna work only on the back loop, which is this one. So I have 2 loops here. I have a V. Okay, I have a V here. I'm not gonna insert my hook under both. I'm gonna insert my hook in between or under the back one, which is this one here only, and I will work my half double crochet like that. So I chain 2. Now I'll yarn over, insert my hook in between the 2 loops, pull through 3. Again, yarn over, insert my hook in between the loops, pull through and pull through 3. Yarn over once more, insert my hook in the next back loop and pull through 3. I will continue till the end of the row, and I will make total of 30 rows, 30 rows. So here I have finished 30 rows of half double crochet using the back loop only, and now we're gonna attach the 2 ends together before to start shaping the hat. So this is the end of my work here. Okay. I'm gonna chain 1, and then making sure the 2 ends are aligned together. Okay, the yarn is a bit dark, but you just have to follow my instructions. So the end of this side should be at matching the end of this, like this. And we're gonna work a slip stitch. So insert my hook in the first end and pass it through the other side. Okay. And I'm gonna pull through and pull through the loop. difficult always with the first stitch, but we're gonna get there. Okay, here we are. And now I'm gonna slip stitch in each stitch. So this one. Okay, I hope you can see it clearly. Slip stitch till the end. So here I'm at the end of my hat. I finished crocheting or stitching all using the crochet hook. Now I'm gonna sew this sides together and you'll see how I'm gonna form the hat. For now I will just fasten off and leave a long tail for the rest of the work. Here I'm done. I'm gonna join my yarn in the sewing needle and I'm gonna wave through like this. Just insert the needle in between the stitches, because later on all this will be all pulled together. So now what we're gonna do is pull my thread to form my hat, okay, like this. So as tight as you can. So later it's only, what we need to do is only sew this top. So now I'm gonna sew the top together. Joining the two ends. I'll cut here, and this is my hat. how it looks like. This is for a small size. Now if you wanna see how I make the edge or the border from the downside or the head side, just stay tuned for the next video which follows this one. I hope you liked this tutorial and found it easy. Let me know what you think. Until next time, take care, bye bye.